We're back here with the pervasive computing article. Notice where it says, wireless medical telemetry services is a licensed band used for medical telemetry systems. So what is medical telemetry? Medical telemetry is also known as biotelemetry. We're going to Google biotelemetry. And let's click on the Wikipedia page. Biotelemetry, or medical telemetry, involves the application of telemetry in biology, medicine, and other healthcare to remotely monitor various vital signs of ambulatory patients. Medical telemetry is not the same as a conspiracy theory. Medical telemetry is not a theory at all. This is a system for protecting people locally and worldwide. Therefore, it is a multi-use system. They are watching people electromagnetically using biotelemetry, and they are using our own bodies to do it. Biotelemetry, the remote measurement of that biosignal. So in other words, they have to have it that way with telemetry, which is collecting, transmitting, and measuring data from remote sources using sensors to aim and fire. We're going to Google telemetry. Telemetry is the automatic recording and transmission of data from remote or inaccessible sources to an IT system in a different location for monitoring and analysis. So if you're a biomedical engineer, or you're talking about biomedical engineering with synthetic biology, you are talking about routing through the body with computer networking. Now back to the pervasive computing article. We here in North America deploy narrowband physical, which is the physical layer of computer networking, in your skin. And your skin is a physical layer utilizing something called human body communication, as well as a physical layer with radio frequency and the old W band, because the W band is not cyber secure. Number 1, narrowband physical is optional. It is responsible for activation, deactivation of radio transceiver, clear channel assessment, and data transmission, reception. The physical protocol data unit contains the PLCP preamble, PLCP header, and a physical service data unit. PLCP preamble helps the receiver with the timing synchronization and carrier offset frequency. The PLCP header contains the information for successful decoding of a packet by the receiver. The PSDU contains the MAC header, MAC frame body, and FCS. A W-band device should be able to support transmission and reception in one of the frequency bands shown in the table above. Everyone needs to understand that they are already connected to the cloud. It's already been done. And they are very excited with their biohacking and different ways they use synthetic biology right now, today, to change not only the human genome, but tissues, your skin, wireless tissue engineering. So it's either people are lying or all the software nerds don't know anything about the physical layer of computer networking. People need to start explaining that the physical layer of computer networking is the skin and the molecular communication routing that's on the terahertz side getting in. So how did you get attached to the cloud? Your body is electromagnetic. They went ahead a long time ago and created tiny nodes in the air around you based on your own biometrics to log in and out of your body, place a note of modification on the body or off the body, and they have been at this for years. So if we can get people to understand that you, your body, is a node on the network at the physical layer of computer networking, the very first layer, that's your skin, and in order to communicate as a node on the network anywhere else, to any other node, to any other bootstrap device, to literally anything, you have to go through the data link layer of computer networking. And that means you're going to be issued a MAC identifier of some kind to communicate through the structure of computer networking, whether it's wireless body area network itself or it's going to be a component of molecular communications. Even the Corona nano routing, you have to know the language or protocol you're going to use to communicate with the rest of the internet. Starting at the physical layer, you don't connect to anything without the data link layer, and that's where your MAC ID comes in. Your wireless body area network attaches you to the rest of the internet,